guys, so it's been out and I would scare my friend of taking a next way. Many of the people are scared about it, so why I am in this room because my friend is here and I would play it. He knows about Pirates of Freddy, but there is no of his face reaction, just only video reaction. So let's do it.
Luis, laro ka muna 5 nights lang.
Alam niya na daw
Isa lang.
Alam niya na daw yun eh.
Okay.
Ano yun?
2, diba?
Oo.
Sabi ko na nga eh.
Saan mo nilaro yun?
Tablet ko.
Dala mo?
Hindi.
Paano mo nilaro?
Okay, ikaw
6
maglaro.
night na yan.
Night?
Walang kaingay.
Wait lang po, tita man. May papalaro lang po kami. Hindi po. Hindi po. Last na lang po to. Wala po.
So it's a bit laggy and you need to
Wind up the box.
or someone's just so scary.
Oh my god. Last na lang po to, tita Ken.
Okay, this is sound yun. Talo ka kay Fox.
Gosh.
Holy shit.
Si Foxy agad.
Happened. Holy shit.
Alam ko yun.
Holy shit. You died so fast.
Baka yung si 6 night eh.
6 night, umaabot na ng 5 a.m., 3 a.m. Tapos magugulat si Foxy.
Holy shit.